Hi, welcome back to our channel. Salmon is one of my longtime favorites, and eating it raw is just how I like it. The first step in filleting a salmon is to remove its head. One way of doing it is to cut in a slanting direction just behind the pectoral fin. This is done so you can get the most meat from the head. You know you've done it right when you see a V-shaped slice of the head, just like this. It's also a good practice to pat dry the fish so it's easy to handle. Use a fillet knife and gently cut along the spine. Before you completely slice through, it's actually a good idea to punch a small hole through this area. This allows you to easily handle the fish portion. Now simply repeat the process for the other half. Almost every bit of a salmon is edible, so make sure to extract all the meat that you can. Now for the deboning process. You just need to feel for the bones in this portion of the fish. Then gently slice behind the bony part, using them as a guide. For the individual bones, you will have to pull them out one by one. You can do this by using a fishbone tweezer, or in this case, a bread knife. Doing this is actually quite relaxing. Next step is to slice through the center of the fillet. It's important to do it with just one stroke if you can. This way you'd avoid causing too much damage to the meat. The next bit is to remove the skin. Start slicing diagonally from the bottom until you reach the skin. Instead of moving the knife forward, you pull the skin towards you. This way you can separate the skin more evenly. Do the same for the remaining fish portions. Then slice the fillet to your desired thickness. Transfer to a sushi plate. I normally just use wasabi and kikkoman soy sauce. You can also add lemon to the sauce if you wish. You can also try eating salmon with seaweed. Just dip in the wasabi sauce, place over the seaweed, add mayonnaise, and simply roll. Well, that's it for today's vlog. I hope I made your mouth water. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next episode.